Welcome again to Gardening with Arnolding. And today I'm going to show you my technique for watering your garden. As you can see, I'm using my fancy Green Bay Packers Carabiner multi-tool to open the 6-pack of Voss artesian water. And it's very important to only use this type of water for your garden. And yeah, I typically put 1 bottle per each plant. And that provides optimal growth, and it allows the plant to feel good about itself and realize that, hey, I'm a plant that can afford artesian water to be poured into me. And that sort of feeling that it gets really helps with its growth as a good American plant, consuming only the best. And yeah, as you can see, I just also toss the water bottles in the grass beside the garden, and that the sound of the bottle hitting the ground reverberates in the soil and into the garden, and that also complements the artesian water so that it soaks into the roots much more efficiently. And yeah, so I keep about 12 or so 6-packs near the garden, because you have to do this process once every hour from now on. So yeah, there you go. Happy watering. This has been Gardening with Arnolding. Have a good day.